Hey, welcome back to our kitchen.
Today we're doing some beef kebabs.
Mm-hmm.
Check it out. I haven't looked at them yet. Whole Foods.
It's like opening a present. Yep, Whole Foods. Like opening a present.
I think there should be 3 of them.
Oh,
two.
yeah. There should be 3. It showed 3 in the picture, but there's only 2 in there.
That's cool, because we're going to
That's
split
perfect, yeah.
it. All right.
Okay. We'll be right back. All right, yeah.
That's what they look like. All right, so looks like we got some red onion, or purple onion, whatever you call it.
Yep.
Green pepper, or is that
that looks more like a squash. These are like squash. Zucchini and squash.
What's that, onion?
No, that's a yellow squash, I think.
Yellow squash.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Some more red onion.
Yep. Right. So this time around, no peppers, but that's okay because it seems like they went with seasonal veggie.
All right, we're gonna go. Right now, it's like 90 out now. It's supposed to be like 100 today, so we try not to cook too much in the kitchen because it gets too hot in the house.
Yup.
So we got a little back room back there. Check it out. I'm gonna point it out. Back there. That helps a lot. It keeps the AC in here, and that's where our laundry room is. Follow me, shall you?
All right. Here is our new wave.
Hey, this looks like the laundry room.
But it doubles up as our new kitchen.
Yay, for when it's hot.
Yeah.
So this is really warmer back here compared to the rest of the house.
It's convenient.
That little curtain there really does a good job. All right, here's what we're going to do. This guy out of the way. Move this guy over here. We're going to do, what did we do last time? Was it like 8 minutes or 7 minutes?
I think 7 minutes.
All right, we did it at the 4-inch level because you got this level here.
Right.
And that's like the 1-inch level, I think.
Yeah.
We're going to do the 4-inch level.
We're going with the 4-inch.
All right, we're going to do, let's do 8. Want to do 8?
Yeah, let's do 8.
All right, it should be just perfect because 7 was a little bit.
Do we have to flip it and then do it?
Yeah, so we're going to do 8 and 8.
Yeah.
And that's why I do 7 and 8. It all depends. All right, here we go. Oh no! Oh no!
Ah, it's falling apart. That one's yours.
Yeah. All right, let's get this back over there. Let's go ahead and get some fix and go. You get back up there. We were gonna put some sauce on there, but they're already sauced up.
Yes,
so I'm gonna worry about that. Push them back together a little bit. Ooh, mine feels bigger than yours. Okay, excuse me.
All right.
I got to get this stuff off my fingers before I grab my new wave oven lid. All right, here we go. That guy's on. I forget what year ours is. I see a bunch of different ones on the internet.
Yeah, we don't know what year ours is.
All right, we're just gonna do the old time cook.
Yeah.
And we're gonna do 8 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna flip them over. 8, and then start.
All right.
Woo-hoo!
See you then.
Be back.
All right. Here's our side. Yum yum. Y'all ever had these?
These are good, ranch style.
Yes, super good.
Super good.
Yes. They are Leo approved. Hey, Leo.
He's a man.
All right, we'll get back at you here soon.
All right, I just heard it go bling. All right, so that's 8 minutes.
Yep.
Go ahead, flip them. Ooh, steamy.
Woohoo!
All right.
Man, they're looking pretty good already here.
It's like.
You can tell they still look like they need to be in there for a minute.
Oh,
Let's try to go too far.
All right.
That was so suspenseful,
So
you
yeah,
guys.
we're going to just go ahead and do 8 and 8 because these are pretty thick.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And it's going to be perfect when it's done. We'll show you. We'll cut one open when we're done to give you guys a heads up, see what it looks like. What do you think? Sometimes we get complaints because we don't care to dip. And to tell you guys because we're silly. Yeah,
we're
silly.
noobs.
Noobs. All right. We'll be back after 8 more minutes. Man, it's hot in here, but it's done. We can get it out of here and go see what we got here.
This is why we cook it back here.
Look at all that steam out of there. Holy moly, man, that's hot. All right,
come
let's
out
see what we got here. That should be good. 8 and 8.
Yummy.
16
Oh, mine
minutes.
looks done.
We'll cut this big one in half right here, and we'll see what happens. All right, be right back. All right, ready? Here we go. Let's take this guy. We'll deconstruct. Ow, that's a hot toothpick. All right, that's one.
All right. These look so good.
Hey, let go. Let go. You didn't do that over there.
That was funny.
Let go. Hey, I'm gonna go the other way. I'll show you.
Ooh, wow, that one just doesn't want to give it up.
Wait. Go on.
Dang.
All right, we're gonna chop. Which one? This big one?
Yeah. Let's get a knife
Get a knife. All right, let's see what's going on here. This is 16 minutes. Ready?
How's it looking? Oh,
right,
so perfect.
Yeah, if you want, this is like almost medium well, I would say.
Right.
So if you guys like it, however you like it,
a little pinker.
Yeah, if you like it medium, I would do like for these, I would do 7 and 7 or 6 and 6 or 6 and 7.
Okay, yeah, yeah. But this seems, I don't know. To me, this seems like perfect.
And that's just full power. I don't even use it. I don't need to do anything but full power. I don't know any other settings on.
Yeah, we don't change the temperature, guys. So it's just full power for us. In case you're wondering.
Right. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this up for bite-sized pieces so I don't have to do that when I'm sitting down on my TV tray watching YouTube.
Can you do the same thing for me, honey?
Sure.
Thanks. All right. We'll get the beans plated up. We'll be right back. Oh, I missed that. Show it again.
Yeah, that's medium well. Medium,
yeah, for sure.
So I like it like this.
Yeah, good stuff.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Yeah. All right, we'll be right back.
All right, so I guess we can call that our vegetables, the onions.
Yeah, right?
And the squash.
The squash, yeah.
And then the beans. So I guess, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's a balanced meal, sure.
Balanced?
Thanks so much for watching this, folks.
Yeah.
Give us that thumbs up. And, remember to sub if you want to see more.
Yes.
All right, later.